to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2026 Porsche Macan EV. The Porsche Macan has long been a favorite among performance SUV enthusiasts, and for 2026, it embraces the electric revolution. With the Macan EV, Porsche merges its signature sporty handling with the instant power delivery of electric motors, creating a thrilling and practical electric SUV. The 2026 Porsche Macan EV transforms the popular performance SUV into an electrified marvel. Its agile handling, combined with the immediate thrust of electric motors, ensures an exhilarating driving experience. Beyond performance, the Macan EV remains a practical choice, offering ample rear seat space for adults and a cargo area that can accommodate your lifestyle. While the base model features rear-wheel drive, the rest of the lineup includes dual-motor all-wheel drive setups for enhanced performance. With standard air suspension across all trims and options for adaptive dampers and rear-wheel steering, the Macan EV balances comfort and sharp handling effortlessly. For those seeking top-tier thrills, the turbo model boasts an impressive 630 horsepower, making it a standout in the electric SUV market. Even lower trims are designed to please driving enthusiasts, keeping Porsche's legacy of dynamic handling alive in the EV space. Base Model Edition. A new rear-wheel drive base model joins the Macan EV family, featuring a single 355 horsepower electric motor that accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds. Standard upgrades, air suspension and adaptive dampers are now standard across the lineup. New aesthetic options. A fresh slate gray Neo exterior color and a redesigned 20-inch wheel option elevate the Macan EV style. Sustainable luxury. The Macan EV's cabin combines modern luxury with eco-conscious materials. Highlights include integrated ambient lighting, vegan-friendly leather-free seating, and recycled materials like regenerated nylon for the floor mats. Cutting-edge tech. The interior is packed with technology to enhance the driving experience. A 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.9-inch central touchscreen are standard. An optional second 10.9-inch display in front of the passenger allows in-motion video viewing. Augmented reality head-up display. Navigational cues are overlaid directly onto the driver's view for enhanced usability. Voice Assistant. Activate the system by simply saying, "Hey Porsche." Apple CarPlay integration. Seamless smartphone connectivity ensures a modern infotainment experience. The base model of the Macan EV is equipped with a single rear-mounted electric motor. This setup delivers a steady 335 horsepower to the rear wheels under standard conditions. However, when the overboost function is activated, the power surges to an impressive 355 horsepower. This configuration offers a compelling mix of efficiency and performance, ideal for drivers who prioritize simplicity without compromising on thrills. For those who demand more power and all-weather capability, Porsche offers the Macan 4, 4S, and Turbo models. These variants feature dual electric motors, one on each axle, creating an advanced all-wheel drive system. Macan 4 EV, with a maximum output of 402 horsepower, this model delivers brisk acceleration and a top speed of 136 miles per hour, making it a versatile choice for daily commutes and highway cruising. Macan 4S EV, stepping up the game. The 4S generates an impressive 509 horsepower, achieving a top speed of 149 miles per hour. This model strikes an excellent balance between power and practicality. Macan Turbo EV, the pinnacle of the lineup, the turbo model, boasts a staggering 630 horsepower. Capable of reaching a top speed of 161 miles per hour, the Turbo is a crossover that feels equally at home on curvy mountain roads and on high-speed highways. The price of the 2026 Porsche Macan EV starts at $77,295 and goes up to $107,295 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.